Okay, this is going to be stationary bottle filler. Basically, unlike the matrix bottle fillers, it does not move the nozzles around. Everything is just kind of stationary. You can adapt 6 nozzles up to it. It does still utilize bottle positioning trays if you want, or you can just use the backstop there. But you could go ahead and, for tinctures or small bottles, load your bottles in. Go ahead and hit fill and fill your system. One thing you can adjust is your nozzle height by using this knob up here. You could go up and down to set your height. One thing great about this filler is you can use the counter pressure type system for this. You can use a pump type system, or you can use our peristaltic pumps for microdosing and small dosing. For nozzle attachments, we offer everything from our tincture nozzle attachments to vape filler cartridge nozzles to our lotion, wine, and beer nozzles, which is a 1/4 inch nozzle. You can run these nozzles independently, which will give you a better fill, using either a peristaltic pump or a counter pressure system for each nozzle, or you can use a manifold. You can adapt it either way. For this one, we're using a 1/4 inch hose inlet. We can up that to a 3/8 or 1/2 inch. For this counter pressure type system, it does use solenoids up here to turn on and off your fills. Each one of those does have a timer attached to it, so you can adjust it to get your fills exactly perfect. Everything for this filler will be controlled by a PLC, and you can control it with the HMI. The HMI does have options for fill. You would utilize F1 to start the fill. If you need to stop at mid-fill, you'd go ahead and push F1 again and it'll stop all that. It does offer timers, like I was saying before, for each nozzle. They are shown here on the display as timer 1, 2, 3. If I go ahead and click next, I then have access to 3, 5, or 4, 5, and 6 timers to adjust my nozzles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. To adjust it, we'll go ahead and adjust nozzle 5 or timer 5. I'm going to go ahead and get into this menu. Sorry, my camera keeps auto-focusing here. In here, you can adjust the timer in milliseconds. So right now we are at 5,000. You can utilize the F2 and F3 button to make that time go up or down by 1/10 of a second. When you're done doing that, you go ahead and click back and the setting is saved. You also have a key switch for lockouts, an e-stop to kill the power if something crazy happens. You also will utilize 110 power, and all your solenoid all your solenoid attachments attach up here. Solenoids can come in stainless steel or not, depending on what type of fluid you're filling. If you have any questions on this type of filler or would like more information, please go to www.rockymountainplc.com, and we'd be more than happy to help you out. Again, you could go ahead, just load your trays in, go ahead and put them against the backstop, go ahead and click fill, and the system will fill for you. Thank you and have a great day.